Good morning, students. Welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Dear student, today I discuss the remaining part of the example of exercise 7b, and all questions are related to the similar. So, dear students, now see here. Question number 26 of exercise 7b, that is, prove that the line segment joining the midpoint of the sides of the triangle, each of which is similar to the original triangle. Dear students, ABC is a triangle, D, E, F are the midpoints of the side BC, AC and AB respectively. When we join the midpoint, then there are four small triangles. One is AFD, other is BFD, CED and DEF. There are four small triangles. Your question is, all four small triangles are similar to the original triangle ABC. So in given I write ABC is a triangle, DEF are the midpoint of the side BC, AC, AB respectively. To prove triangle AFP similar to ABC, triangle BFD similar to triangle BAC, triangle CED similar to triangle CAB, and triangle DEF similar to triangle ABC. There are four conditions to prove. How you can to prove? First we take in proof, if triangle ABC, E and F are the midpoints of the side AC and AB respectively, then by midpoint theorem, suppose it is a triangle, it is the midpoint, then it is clear this is the parallel and half of this base. So EF is the parallel to BC and EF is equal to half BC. So your first question related to AFP and ABC. So I write here AFP and triangle ABC. AFP is there and ABC is there. How it is similar? Students, angle A is common in both. This angle A also present in AFP and also present in ABC. Similarly, this F is equal to this E because AFP is the parallel to BC. Then these angles are called corresponding angle because AFP line parallel to BC due to midpoint theorem. Then F is equal to B. So triangle AFP similar to triangle ABC. Next, similarly BDE, find out here. BDF similar to BCA, How it is possible? Angle B is common and DF parallel to AC, so this F is equal to A, angle B be common, then this BDF similar to BCA. Third, triangle CED, similar to CAB. How it is possible? CC common and angle this E is equal to A and this D is equal to B. So this CED similar to CAB. Why? This line is parallel to AB, then this angle is equal to A and this angle is equal to B. So by A similarity, this is CED is also similar to CAB. Now last I solve DEF. So fourth question of this question is prove that DEF similar to ABC. This DEF similar to ABC. Dear student, F is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of AC, F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. Then by midpoint theorem, this EF parallel to BC and EF is equal to half BC. So I write here DEF similar EF parallel BC and EF is equal to half BC. Why? By midpoint theorem, because E and F are the midpoint. So EF parallel BC, then it is clear EF parallel BD. This EF parallel BC, then EF is also parallel to BD. And EF is equal to half BC means BD. So EF parallel BD and EF equal BD. EF parallel BD and EF equal BD. So BDEF is a parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, then its opposite angles are equal. So B is equal to E. I write in triangle DEF and ABC. Angle E is equal to B because it is opposite angles of parallelogram and it is equal. Similarly, when AFD is a parallelogram, then angle A is equal to D. So then angle A is equal to angle D. This is the opposite angles of parallelogram. You write here angle D is equal to angle A because DEF is here. So D is equal to A. It is also opposite angles of parallelogram. Hence, by A similarity, the triangle DEF similar to ABC original triangle. Now, question number 29. Through the midpoint M of the side CD. ABCD is a parallelogram, midpoint M of the side CD, that is CM equal to DM. CD of a parallelogram ABCD. The line BM is drawn intersecting AC at L and AD produce to E and BL meet at E. Here is it. You have to prove EL is equal to 2BL. EL is here and BL is there. So EL is equal to 2BL. Students, here we solve by similarity and congruency methods. First, to find the congruency relation to triangles, and that name is in triangle BMC and EMB. Find out here is BMC, this triangle, and EMB, this triangle. Find the relation. First, this angle B is equal to angle E. This is called alternate interior angle. Second, BMC is equal to EMB. This is vertically opposite angle. And third, CM is equal to DM. It is given M is the midpoint of CD. Then by ASA, two angle in one side, that is ASA, triangle BMC congruent triangle EMB. Hence by CPCT, BC is equal to DE. Hence by CPCT, BC is equal to DE. Now students, now in triangle BLC, find out here is BLC because here is BL is need, you have to prove. So you take in triangle BLC and next triangle ELA because here is EL. So now take the similarity relation between BLC and ELA. What is it? Here is B is equal to E, that is alternate interior angle because line will be parallel. It is a parallelogram. So another is BLC is equal to ALE. BLC is equal to ELA, that is vertically opposite angle. So by A similarity, this BLC is similar to ELA. Now, if it is a similar, then their sides are in the proportional ratio. So you write EL, here you write, BL in a small triangle, EL is equal to BC by A large triangle. Hence, it is BL, it is EL, this is BC, and AE you can write AD plus DE. And next step you write BC by AD, you can write BC. Why? Because AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and DE is equal to BC, already proved. Then BL by EL is equal to BC by 2BC. BC cancel, that is 1 by 2, cross multiplication. Then you get EL is equal to 2BL. It is your solution to prove it. Now see here, question number 13. That is a lamp is 5 meter above the ground. This is the lamp post and it is 5 meter above the ground. Total height of the lamp post is 5 meter. A boy 100 centimeter tall. This is the boy PQ and it is 100 centimeter tall. I change in meter because it is given in meter, so 100 centimeter converted into 1 meter. 100 centimeter tall walks away from the base of the lamp. Walk away from the base of lamp post. लैम्प पोस्ट से ज्यादा दूरी पर, वॉक अवे फ्रॉम, दूर जाना, अवे फ्रॉम द लैम्प पोस्ट एट द स्पीड ऑफ 1.9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मीन्स द स्पीड ऑफ द बॉय इज 1.9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. देन फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ शैडो of the boy after 4 seconds. Boy is here and after 4 seconds boy is there, because a speed of the boy is 1.9 meter per second and time is 4, then 1.9 into 4, 7.6 meter, and that is 7.6 meter away from the lamp post. Boy is standing now, is here. Then what is the shadow of the boy? Your question. Here is 5 meter, here is 1 meter, here is 7.6 meter. I suppose it is x. So first find the relation between these two triangles. One is BAM, another is QPM. I write here BAM and QPM. First angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P. Boy is standing. Line post is also stand on the ground. Then it is always vertically. So it is 90. Next M is equal to M. M is present in both triangle, in a small triangle and also in large triangle. So M is the common in both. So by A similarity, both are the similar. If it is similar, then their corresponding sides are in the proportional. So I write AB, then by QP, and I write AM, then by PM. So I write here AB by PQ is equal to AM by PM. AB is 5, PQ is 1, because 100 centimeter converted to 1 meter. Is equal to, it is 7.6 plus x. Total length is this. It is 7.6, that is distance traveled by the boy, and it is the x, the shadow of the boy. So total distance is 7.6 plus x, and in a small triangle it is x. Now cross multiplication, then it is 5x and it is 7.6 plus x. X this sides, then 5x minus x is equal to 7.6. That is 5 minus x is 4x, that is 7.6. So x is equal to 7.6 by 4, that is 1.9 meter. Question number 31, that is side AB, BC and median AD of triangle ABC. This is ABC, side AB, BC and median AD are respectively proportional to the side PQ, side QR and median PM of another triangle. Then prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Dear students, we have given two sides and one median are proportionally equal to these two triangles. So here we see AB by PQ, BC by QR, AB by PQ, BC by QR and median AD by PM given in your question. It is given. Hence, this is AB by PQ. This BC you can write 2BD because D is the midpoint. So this BC you can write 2BD, and this QR you can write 2QM. I write here 2QM, and AD by PM, 2 to cancel. Now you find, students, these three sides are in the triangle ABD and PQM. Find out AB by PQ, BD by PM and AD by PM. So these two small triangles are similar by SSS. So I write here by SSS similarity, triangle ABD similar PQM. If triangles are similar, then it is equiangular. Clearly, if triangles are similar, then its angles are also corresponding angles are equal. So it is B is equal to Q. So I write here B is equal to Q. Now we take in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. I write here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB by PQ already given here. AB by PQ and BC by QR. BC by QR. It is given in your question. And B is equal to Q proved above. B is equal to Q, you proved above. So by SAS, two sides and one angle. So by SAS, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. That is your solution. Question number 32, last questions of the examples of 7B, and it is very important for the board examination. and also the last question of today's session. Dear student, in these questions, like at 31, but slightly difference between them. In 31 question given that this AB and PQ are proportionally equal to BC and QR and median AD and PM. But in this question given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and AD by PR. In 31 given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. But 32 given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and AD by PR. So read question carefully. Side AB and AC and median AD. Side AB and AC and median AD are proportionally to equal side PQ, PR and median PA. So I write here, let ABC and PQ are two triangles such that AD and PM are the medians, and it is also given that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PR. And to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, like at question number 31. Here is construction in need in these questions. We produced AD at E such that AD is equal to DE and join EC. Similarly, we produced PM at N such that this PM is equal to MN. This PM is equal to MN and join RN. It is the construction. Now students, find the relation between the angle ABD and angle DCE. Find the relation between the angle ABC and angle DCE. Here is in triangle ABD and triangle ABD and triangle ECD. What is the relation between them? First to write AD is equal to D. From here, construction. Next, angle ADB is equal to angle CD. It is vertically opposite angle. And third, BD is equal to DC, because D is the midpoint of BC. Hence, by SAS, triangle ABD similar to triangle ECD. ABD similar to triangle ECD. So what happens? You write AB is equal to EC, equation first. Similarly, when you find the relation between them, this is given, it is vertically, and here is the midpoint. So by CPCT, you write only similarly. By CPCT, PQ is equal to RN. Both have CPCT. PQ is equal to RN. Then you take what is your given, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. It is given in your question. You convert this AB is equal to EC and this PQ is equal to RN, and this is AC and this is PR. Here 2 AD, 2 PM, multiple R. Double AD, that is A. And 2 PM, you can write PM. Then this is in what triangle? These angles, these sides are EC by RN, EC by RN, AC by PR, and AE by PM are the triangle. So you write, so triangle AEC similar triangle PNR by SSS similarity. Because AC by RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to AE by PN. So this triangle AEC similar to triangle PNR. If these triangles are similar, then you can easy way you can say 1 is equal to 2. So you write angle 1 is equal to 2. That is equation 3. By similarity, you write here by similarity. Similarly, here 3 and here is 4. Then you can write 3 is equal to 4. That is question 4. So now 1 plus 3 is equal to 2 plus 4. Then 1 plus 3 is equal to A. And 2 plus 4 is equal to P. It is question 5, equation 5. 1 plus 3 is equal to A and 2 plus 4 is equal to P. And now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you find AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. It is given in your questions. Here it is given. And angle A is equal to angle P. Proved. So by SAS triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, you write triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. So you can solve with the help of this process. This is the last question of exercise. Thank you, dear.